Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be wearing these protective glasses because I'm going to be using this destructive tool. In today's really short video we are going to find out if this rear sway bar, OEM rear sway bar, is a tubular construction or it is a solid bar. Well guys, this is going to be the end of this sway bar. It was on my car. This is a BMW original OEM 13mm sway bar, rear sway bar that is I guess a part of a sport package or M suspension, M Technique suspension. Sort of a small upgrade over a base level suspension tuning from BMW. I don't really need it anymore. I have something else installed in my car, and this gives us a good chance to find out if this bar is tubular or solid. Alright, here we go. I have never done anything like this in my life. I mean, I don't recall destroying something intentionally just to figure things out, but today I'm doing it. Well, I guess it's not a whole lot of cutting, but let's see how this goes. I wonder if it is strong enough to really... Oh boy. Well, I guess I have to keep cutting. I guess I need a bigger cutter. And here we go. What's your guess? So I had one sway bar and now I have two of them. And what do we see? I hope that was amusing with my cutting skills. So that cutter was worn down, but it was good enough to really put an end to this sway bar. So, and I'm really surprised. And guys, look at this. It's not a tubular construction. This is as solid as it gets. So BMW produced a solid rear factory sway bar, and it's not tubular. It's not heavy. I would say this is barely 2 pounds or something like that. But it's not tubular, it is solid, and in this case this was a 13mm. My camera is tripping, really. So guys, here's the proof. If anyone needed it, 13mm factory OEM sway bar, M Sport, solid sway bar. Nothing in the middle, no holes, it's just a solid piece of metal. So I don't know what I'm seeing on the ends of the sway bar, that line in the middle. It kind of tricked me into thinking that this is a tubular bar that is squashed to make the flat attachment ends, attachment point, but it's not. So I guess this should be it for this video. I don't know how useful this information can be to anyone, but who else is going to cut a perfectly good M Tech or M Sport sway bar? I did. I guess this should be it for today. Thanks for watching. Make a smart face.